Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 22nd, 2021. This is going to be our PayPal stock prediction. Can we expect a bigger pullback to come into the next couple of months? Are we going to expect the price in PayPal to continue to go lower? Because I know you all may have seen some videos about PayPal showing interest to buy Pinterest. Well, is that going to have a major impact on the price, right? Are we going to expect the price in PayPal to continue to go lower? Well, we're going to talk about that today. Welcome to our channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location to where we show you our price predictions as to where price is going to go without being confused. Join me as we do this. Keep it locked in right here, and you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing to the channel. Tap the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out. We're not going to speak out of both sides of our mouth. We're not going to tell you that the price could go up. We're not going to tell you that the price is going to go down. We're going to lean more towards where we're seeing the overall market sentiment going, so that we can be prepared wherever it goes. Whether it goes up or down, we can still profit within the market, right? So let's talk about this real quick, because you can see it by Yahoo Finance that the market is, that PayPal is showing interest into buying Pinterest, right? They're looking to buy it. Okay, cool. You can tell from the price chart though that the market is not really feeling that, because if the market really enjoyed or loved the fact that PayPal is trying to buy Pinterest, then the market volume right here, okay, take a look at this, would not be this high, right? Or the volume would be this high, but the price movement would have been going up rather than us seeing the price go down. So something is still going on into the market, and it is not because of the news. You guys can see here in PayPal, we topped out. Like, the market has hit their restriction point, right? We got twice that the market in PayPal got rejected. Okay. This is why the market is going down, is that there's no interest up there above $300. The market doesn't want to buy it above $300 in PayPal. It's just that simple. So people are right now trying to figure out in their brain, okay, why is PayPal going down when they want to buy Pinterest? I mean, shouldn't it be going up? No, it shouldn't. That's the market dynamics does not operate off of the news. It doesn't. It operates off of a couple of laws that is in play whenever the market is in business. That's it. So right here, the two opportunities that PayPal try to break above $310. Look at how low the market went down, right? So the first time when PayPal was at $310, we saw the market dip 28%, right? That was the first time. Cool. The second time, which was here, July the 26th, 2021, we're still seeing the market drop now, which is another 21% drop so far in PayPal. So the market generally is weak. The only outcome that would stop us from seeing a big pullback in PayPal's market would be for us to see the market grab support. Okay, so I'm going to show you where that support area is that we all need to be focused in on, and it's right around this vicinity here. Okay, so look at how wide this consolidational trading range is in PayPal. Look how wide it is. So the expectation would be for us to see the price in PayPal to come all the way back down at least to $230 to $225. That's the first spot for us to see this market move lower, trying to stop. That's the first spot for us to plug this hole from the price in PayPal going down, right? So we appreciate the market giving us this information, because looking at all this volume that happened the last 2 days in PayPal, we got to address that, right? When we see this much volume coming in play in PayPal, that tells us that the big money is now showing the footprints, right? The money is now moving. When you see this much volume, we always need to see, okay, the money's on the move. The money is leaving PayPal and going somewhere else. The market is taking profitability in PayPal. When you see this much volume, we need to take note of that. Because if this volume was on the move, since this money is on the move the last 2 days, and price has gone down in relation to that volume, we now know that money is leaving PayPal. Because if the price was going up with this high volume, then we know that the market was coming into PayPal. They're showing a lot of interest in this market, but instead the price has been going down, right? So let's see. Let's look at the market in PayPal in the 2 weeks perspective, right? So we got 9 hours left. Well, pretty much the last day of trading today, of seeing where price is going to end up on this 2 weeks price bar, right? Right here. Okay, right here. So now, given that that's the case, and we're seeing the price in PayPal close on the low, it kind of lets us know that, yeah, we're going to continue to see some lower prices in PayPal. It's still on the table. And this is from the 2 weeks perspective, right? So we're still on course to see this market in PayPal to go down. Look at this on the 3 months time frame. Okay, so a lot of people may be wondering, why is PayPal going down? Well, the last 3 months is confirmation as to why the price is showing us weakness in PayPal. The only issue that I'm going to tell you is that if we hold $220 or above that number, then the market is going to start a consolidational trading range for we can resume to high prices throughout 2022 to 2023. If we break $220 or this $225 price level, we got to be prepared for the market to come to 200 and then 175. That's the next areas. 200 and then $175. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen right now, but just to think about it, right? You need to think about those things. 200, 175. Now, I'm telling you that right now on October 22nd, 2021. And that's only under the premise that PayPal's price does not hold $225 or 220. If we break that on weakness, that's where we're going to go, to 200 or $175. Okay. So let me go ahead and give this play real quick as to my expectations to where PayPal is going to go. We're still playing in weakness here in the market in PayPal, right? And we're looking for it to come here, right? I'm not going to get it exact, but this is where support is. 230, 225, right around this vicinity here. Okay. It might even be around 230. So we're going to go with 235 to 225, which is a $10 gap to where we can see the market grab support, right? I don't want to come in and try to be right on the dot, hit it right on the head. I can't do that. But this is the vicinity. 235 to 225 is where we're looking for the market to initially try to grab support. Okay. So from 235, that would give us a profitability of about 3%, right? Whoop-de-doo, right? We could do that. That's simple. To 225, that's about 7.25%. And if we see the market break 225, which I want everyone to be prepared for, the third area is going to be 210. All right. So this is the play. This is our expectations to see the market in PayPal and where we're expecting it to go. First area 235, right, for us to snack off of. Then 225 ultimately. And then if we break 225, the next area that I'm looking forward to is going to be 210, right around that area. Now, we're going to continue to play this weakness into the market in PayPal as long as this price stays below $270, give or take. Now, let me bring it up. Go like 275. Okay, right there. Simple, not hard, not complicated. All right, so that's it. The whole premise of this video is trying to see whether or not PayPal is going to hold support, because if we do, then we understand we're starting a big longer term consolidation range for a bigger move into the future. If we break 225, then this upward move that PayPal have seen, this upward trend, is really taking a break. All right, so let's see what happens to the market as we continue to see the price come down. Because if we see that strength come in at 225, 235, hey, we understand that that's the buy point then. We understand that the market is willing to absorb the selling. They find the price attractive, and from there, the market's going to go up in PayPal. That's it. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Now, I want to know what is your price prediction in PayPal? Hit me up, drop me a comment in the comment section to tell everyone who views this video what your thoughts are, right? This is my thoughts. I have visibly shown you, I have spoken my expectation as to what the market's going to do in PayPal, and I want to know what you think. Hit me up with your price prediction. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.